Hi, in this video we'll be covering the syllabus and the class schedule. If you don't have it already printed out, you can find a copy of it under Lessons. So here's the syllabus for contemporary math. Here's my information. Okay. My phone number here is for the office number. I've provided you my Google number, which you can find in Blackboard. If you use the office number, it will take some time before I get back to you. So I suggest using my Google number. And here's my email address. As you can see for the office hours, nothing is listed here. There is a link on Blackboard where you can schedule an appointment. My office hours will change weekly based on appointments that I've already have scheduled that week. On the next page, you will see all of the general information that is posted on every syllabus. At the very bottom here, it talks about the textbook. We'll be using Pearson, and you will need a MyMathLab access code. I will talk more about how to sign up for MyMathLab in the MyMathLab video. On the next page, it talks about the special materials. We will be using a scientific calculator. The TI-30X2S is what I'll be using on all of my videos. There will be an opportunity for you to upload the calculator you're using for approval. It must be a basic scientific calculator. I will also provide an online calculator during Unit 3. No other calculators, including the ones on cell phones, smart watches, or graphing calculators, will be allowed. This is an online course, so we will be proctoring our exams online. We will be using Proctorial for this. You do need a webcam and a microphone. If you need access to internet or a webcam or microphone, TCC has limited supplies available for you to borrow. Go to this website in order to request one. The primary method of communication for this course will be through email. Please allow me at least to the end of the business day to respond to your email, Monday through Thursday. If you do send me an email after 6 p.m., expect a response the next day. If you send an email Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, please allow up to 48 hours to get a response. When you are sending me an email, please indicate that you are in contemporary math so I know which class you're in. There will be 4 exams, homework, and a final. You will only have 1 attempt for each test. All homework and test reviews will be completed online using MyMathLab. There is typically no makeup work. However, your homework will be allowed to be submitted late with a 15% penalty. This will be only for the problems you have completed after the due date. If you are a victim of a violent crime or serious injury, I will permit you to make up your work without penalty. If this is your case, please let me know. We will have help in the tutoring center. I will talk more about how to access this during the Blackboard video. The attendance policy, I will basically be taking attendance once or twice a week. Please start your homework or complete the homework on the calendar in order to be counted present. For grading, there will be 4 unit exams at 60%. The lowest exam is dropped. However, if you receive a 0 as a result of cheating, the 0 will not be dropped. The next lowest non-cheating test score will be dropped. Homework is going to be 20%. The 2 lowest homework assignments are dropped. And the final exam everyone must take is also worth 20%. The final is mandatory. It cannot be dropped. Letter grades will be assigned as follows, and I will round up to the next whole number. I will talk about your class dates when we go over the calendar, and these are going to be the chapters that we're going to be covering. In this next part is additional class information. Remember that this is an online course. Proctoring will be done online, and here's the academic dishonesty statement. Anyone caught cheating will get a 0, and I will report it to TCC. Communication is vital in an online course. Please be respectful and use appropriate language. This includes when you're taking your exams. Last semester I had several people use bad words while they were taking their exam. Please remember that I watch these exams at home, and sometimes there are small children present. So please be respectful. If it's something you wouldn't say face to face, please don't say it online. After you type a message, reread it and make sure that what you intended to say is actually being conveyed. Let's stick to talking about math. Give others the benefit of the doubt. You may have misunderstood them. And please properly address your emails and online posts to the person that you intended. If you are sending me an email, please indicate that you are in contemporary math. For being successful, you need to make sure to make homework a priority. You must practice, practice, practice. Do your homework daily. Don't ever play catch up. You can't afford to miss an assignment or a test. Make sure to pay attention to the videos and take notes. If you need additional help in this section, please contact me for an appointment. This is our calendar for contemporary math. Classes begin on January 19th, and on January the 23rd, introductions are due. The mindset number 1 is due, and also section 2.1. I've assigned specific due dates for these sections to help keep you on task. As you can see here, Tuesdays and Saturdays will be your due dates. Your orientation quiz and section 2.2 will be due on January 26th. The calculator that you wish to use on exams is due by January 30th. This will give me about a week to approve or not approve, and you can submit your calculator before the first exam, which opens on February the 7th. There will be a practice exam. It opens on January 31st at midnight, and it will close on February the 2nd. Once you have successfully completed the practice exam, you will be eligible to take your first unit exam. The last section in the first unit is going to be due just before the exam opens. So on Saturday, February 6th, section 2.5, which is on unit 1, will be due. If you notice here, you will have 3 days to take your unit exam. February 7th, 8th, and 9th. You can take your exam at any time between 12 a.m. on Sunday to 11:59 on Tuesday. Please be aware that the test will automatically close at 11:59. So please do not start a test at 11:58. It will automatically close at 11:59. Please make sure to give yourself at least 2 hours before the exam closes. The mindset is not course content. It is on how to change your mind and give you encouragement. I leave this one open for an entire week because this one has to be manually graded. Please make sure to complete your mindsets so I can submit grades. If you see a 0 on your mindset, it's because I haven't manually graded it yet. As you can continue to see, I have set all of your unit exams to open on Sunday and to close on Tuesday. This is for your consistency. You will also notice that each unit has a specific number of weeks. I've given you 3 weeks to complete Unit 1 and 2.5 full weeks to complete Unit 2. Notice that Unit 3 is 3 full weeks plus the week of spring break. This is because Unit 3 is typically the hardest unit. The last day to drop will be April 15th. Your Unit 4 exam will close on May 4th. There is no more content after you take your Unit 4 exam. I will keep all homework from all the previous units open until May 8th. This is for the exception of the mindsets. Please complete the mindsets the week that they are due. Mindsets take me a little bit longer to grade since I have to manually read what you say. All other homework can be submitted late by May 8th. Your final exam is only 2 days. It will open on Sunday, May 9th and close on Monday, May 10th. This is based off the recommendation of allowing an online final exam to be open for only 48 hours. This will also give me time to give you any partial credit if needed before grades are due. If you have any questions over any of this material, please let me know.